Watch this video and learn how to draw a little brown puppy. Later in the show, Artie receives a call from his friend Zuma. And watch to the end to see Artie take a potty break. Ooh, are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, gang. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie.
That was a nice welcome, Artie.
Yeah,
You seem to be in a good mood.
yes, I'm in a very good mood and I'm ready to make some art.
Oh, good. Should we do a drawing?
Yeah, let's do a drawing.
Okay,
Okay.
let's do it.
Greetings, Artie!
What's up, Artie?
What are you going to draw today, Artie?
I don't really know what I want to draw.
Do you want me to help you with an idea?
Yes, please.
You like doggies?
Yeah.
Let's draw a puppy.
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Okay.
Let's start by drawing our puppy's left eye. We'll draw an upside down U shape and then a tiny little oval inside that we'll colour in black. And now you have a left eye. Let's do the same on the right side. An upside down U, a little tiny oval, shade it in, and there's two eyes. Let's draw a curved line coming up to the left eye. It's starting to look a little bit like a frog, not a puppy.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Maybe it's a froggy puppy. Now let's curve down from the right eye. That's it. And now let's start on the left side and curve all the way round, making a sort of football shape. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, here's a message from Bobby Bananas.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Let's draw a little cute triangle-shaped puppy nose. Leave a little white circle in the middle, but shade everything else black. Let's draw a straight line down from the underside of the nose, make it nice and thick, and then a big smiley curve going all the way across. Yes, that's right, Artie, make that thick as well. Speaking of doggies, here's Barry Tone.
Wow, Artie, you're so talented. You should sing like I do.
Now let's draw the top left side of the head. We're going to draw a sort of S shape. That's it. Let's draw a few tufts of hair on the top, just a little triangle shape. And then let's curve all the way down the right side of the face and join back up with the nose. Now let's draw our puppy's left ear. A nice big curve and then swoop all the way up to the top of the head.
Oh, felt time. Okay, felt time. Somebody's calling.
Oh, greetings, Artie.
Hi, Zuma.
It's me, Zoomer Bizarro, and I'm reporting to you from my Tinker Tank.
Wow, what are you working on today?
Oh, well, just this little contraption here. I call it the Color Swirler 3000 because I use it to swirl together and twirl together the most amazing colors. Oh, can you guess what color I'm working on today? Huh?
Is it blue?
Nope.
Green?
Nope again. Today it's purple.
Purple's awesome. I love mixing colors too, just like drawing.
Exactly, Artie. Oh, and by the way, what colorful creations are you planning in the near future, huh?
I'm going to draw a rocket ship. It's going to be super colorful. Red, yellow, and even some purple.
A rocket ship? Oh, brilliant! That's perfect for blasting off into creativity. Oh, do you think I can create a little gadget for it, huh?
Definitely. Maybe you could make a turbo pencil launcher.
Well, badoobies, I'll get right on it. Oh, but first, promise me you'll show me a picture of your rocket ship when it's done, okay?
You got it, Zuma.
Keep creating, Artie, and remember, with imagination, anything is possible.
Thanks, Zuma. Bye.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo!
Well, I'm very pleased, Artie. Come on, let's carry on with the drawing. Let's draw the right ear, just like the left one. Very good work, Artie. Keep watching, little artists, because soon Artie's going to have a potty break. Now let's give our puppy a body, an S-shaped curve on the left side with a little hook at the bottom turning into 3 paws, then curve back up towards the head. Very good, Artie. Can you do that same shape on the right side? Try and match the left as best as you can. Oh, look, here comes Bunny Fluffington.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Wow, you are so talented.
Thank you.
I admire you so much.
Thanks.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Wow, Artie, Bunny admires you. I think you have a little fan there, a little furry pink fan. Now let's give our puppy some back legs. A back leg on a dog is called the hind leg.
Hind.
Yeah, that's right, the hind leg.
Oh, Artie need potty break.
A potty break?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Okay, potty break. I won't be long. Okay, Artie went potty.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Let's carry on with the
Okay.
drawing then. Let's draw a nice waggy tail for our puppy. A nice big curve, and then a larger curve just underneath. It's as simple as that. Oh, Artie, let's draw a ball. A nice big circle just besides our puppy. Now you can draw the circle in several sections. It's a little bit easier that way. Sometimes it's hard to draw a large shape all in one go, so you can split it into sections and take your time and be a little bit more careful.
That looks amazing.
So incredible!
Let's give the ball 5 stripes. Should we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, 5. 5 stripes. You know what, Artie? I think you might be finished. What do you think?
I finished.
I thought so. Why don't we give it a splash of colour?
Yeah, let's color it in. Yeah.
That came out really cool, kid, but it needs some color.
Really great job, Artie. This puppy looks so cute.
Really
I
good.
love the colours that you used.
Yeah.
Should we take it for a walk?
No.
Well, you must be very pleased.
Yeah, Artie's very pleased.
See you next time.
We'll see you again soon.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye. See you next time.